Explosion just happened inside Dubai shipping port. This shipping port will be the largest shipping port inside Dubai, where they call them Jebel Ali Port. They talk say the container wey explode for this place, e be like say e carry something wey be say explosive items dey inside. Because before they go see, this thing just burst. Just one container na there, e just start from, e just come out small small before they go see. The whole container wey dey on top of this thing, e don catch fire. I come dey wonder, then these people wey carry this explosion put on top of this ship, or I no check wetin dey inside, abi na just carry and say because of say na wan do business, na make na carry this kind thing. Now where the thing don explode now, wetin I wan come tell people? My Naija people and other people when I dey do business inside Dubai, I hope say na don call na customer. Make na market no go enter one chance. So my people abeg, make na follow me watch.
Damn. C'est un délire.
Things just dey happen anyhow. But as we gather their authorities, they talk say this explosion wey happen, say e no too cause any katakata. Say the thing wey even happen, say e be like say lives no die, people no die. Now just the normal things wey dey around outside, na just spoil. But I come dey reason am say, what if say person market even dey inside this? Because I sure say people market sef go dey. And people wey dey around the eyewitnesses, they talk say this kind of explosion say in fact e shake, the house is shake, wall shake. It means say the kind things wey dey inside this container na something wey be say I never even know be na bomb. And make na no forget, they just even award Dubai as the second peaceful country. Second, I come dey reason am say, una sure say this kind thing plan no dey inside, abi set up no dey inside. Because how something go just dey? Una know this, una check this thing. If na know say this kind thing na explosive, una go find where una wan carry this thing pass. No be where una know say people business. This one na go just let people business money go. But I trust Dubai wella. I know say their own insurance go don cover am. This thing wey even explode, I no go surprise sef within some few months, abi some few weeks, they don already build am. E no be like some other countries wey be say na now we go dey beg God, we go dey write petitions for them to build this kind thing. But I hope say they go put the necessary things in place for all this kind of explosion, because it can't be like say this thing now, it don't dey over happen, it don't dey very common. Maybe we go start to dey beg Baba God, what did they happen? You know, one bomb for here, you know, another one bomb for another. Now inside Dubai again, another one don't dey happen. But we just say thank God, say person no dey there. Say nobody dey there, we no come here say person there, be something happen to person. Or maybe they never even do their research well, because this thing happen for night. So maybe they never gather and well say person die. Because if person die, this one say go turn another wahala. A whole shipping port. In fact, I even feel say this fire no spread because of say waiting water there around this side. Say if say na one place where be say other things, they are sure say this thing for even pass as we dey hear am like this. But my people, I hear this one. I can't see make I bring her come aside, make na service in her ear. Hear wetin dey happen. Anything wey na feel, make na no forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you for our next video. One major explosion don't go happen inside Los Angeles, and this one even affect their police. The thing just even, in fact, the thing surprised me. We gotta say some people, the bomb squad, they notice say, you get one, this one never even be bomb, and I know a firecrackers, I mean, I would say I call like banger. People know for Nigeria, na banger they call them. So they pack this guy and fire fighters, I mean, a fire waiting, they even call, put them for one place. There's no say the thing they inside person house. Plenty, or no be one, no be two cartons, in plenty inside there. Now then you come reason say how this thing they reach this place. You know, in both people and their investigation, and then they can't gather themselves, go this. Maybe at least so go carry this thing come on, because this thing if go cause harm. If it be said that person self plants this thing, they say the ones and do bad, so they don't even check, do everything of my people before go see. Boy, everything don't. In fact, everything don't explode. People don't. I'm not sure say they die, but people don't wound. But I sure say the wound, it go even wound. It go wound times wound to people. My people, make now watch. And I don't see, we don't hear say 17 people don't already even wound. In fact, the police people were there, the motor just even explode. I come the reason I say, on a sure say this people will drop this firework. I mean, I say you call them for there. On a sure say they no plant this thing because they don't know say know how. Then this police people, then this bomb squad, they go there, go find out about the thing. Because me, the reason I'm like that too, because how be say person go just go there. The day where they will come, this thing if you don't there, how many days? The day with and they be experts for this thing. They don't already check out this thing they safe for the go fit carry. They don't move the thing as they move and finish and there. The one we come even surprise, they say fireball they inside this thing. The fireball now can go explode, I be catapult, go enter another person's house, go destroy the person's house, destroy things for there. And another thing question I think say this thing na set up work. Or in people are not saying sabi do investigation, but this one na plan work. That thing they there since you know explode. Why besides na come carry am put inside motor say make una dey move. Now that time the motor can explode. How many minutes hit now make this thing explode? Even then the boss of the talk say they never even understand what happen. Say now they say want do the investigation because the thing surprise them. They don't do their check and balances. They don't say no how way this thing go first. So it means say person will set this maybe you don't put timer or be something for that place. So that if they carry this thing, you go just set the thing go just blow. See the explosion. Hey, in fact, if no, now only film they say this kind of thing. This one like it just be like in a real life. I just say pity people who don't wound people who there around that side because no be small houses everything don't break. I say some people say na inside house they dey. The thing never near them, but as the thing explode, their glass, their window glass just break, go affect themselves. And I see why all this banger to they keep them. Me I don't even experience where banger dey because of heat. This thing can explode. But me this one I think I say now somebody now do this thing. Now person now set up this explosion because as this thing you know just dey normal. If for in both themselves figure that say they never even sure wetin happen. It means say this one na set up work. My people are here this one. I want to make a bring and come na side make na service na ear hear wetin dey happen. Make you don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video.